install Microsoft Project, open up a browser and go to azureforeducation.microsoft.com. Once the Education Hub has loaded, click on Software under Learning Resources on the left-hand side of the page. In the search box, type Project. Make sure you install the latest version of Microsoft Project. On the right-hand side, information about Project will appear. Click on the View key button to see the activation code. Make sure you copy this code. Click on the Download button to begin the download. Since it's a large file, it may take a moment to download. After the file is downloaded, click on Open File. Click on the Setup file to begin installation. If you receive this message, click on the Install 64-bit button at the bottom of the box to continue. The installation may take a while. If you experience any problems, please contact the Cincinnati State Help Desk at 513-569-1234. The application is now installed and now you're ready to begin the assignment.